Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected viewers, you are watching YouTube channel Evergreen Knowledge and I am Dr.Abid Nawaz. Respected viewers, I hope that you will have subscribed this channel before, but if you did not subscribe this channel yet, you please subscribe it before watching this video so that all of my upcoming videos will be received by you well in time. Respected viewers, we were talking about diphthongs and diphthongal sounds and the problems faced by the English learners articulating the diphthongs. So let me proceed. Respected viewers, the long vowels are pronounced as long as one long and sustained breath pulse without any caesura. Likewise, I and out are not diphthongs, are clusters of two short vowels. They are inherently long vowels, similar to the vowels in cat and lord, respectively. All Urdu long vowels are pure. For example, they are not pronounced with the following glide. As is the case, for example, with English vowel in gate, seat, and suit. Onward, stress. A writer goes on to state as follows: the following are the canonical forms of all possible monosyllabic words in Urdu. C capital is equal to consonant, V small is equal to short vowel, V capital is equal to long vowel. So, respected viewers, returning to the listed canonical forms, we classify them as follows in an ascending order of heaviness indicated by the numbers 0, 1 and 2. So 0 is equal to short vowel, consonant and short vowel. 1 is equal to short vowel, consonant, consonant, short vowel, consonant, long vowel, consonant, short vowel, consonant, consonant and long vowel. And 2 is equal to long vowel, consonant, consonant, long vowel, consonant, consonant, short vowel, consonant, consonant, short vowel, consonant, consonant and consonant, long vowel, consonant, consonant. The rule to predict word stress in Urdu can now be started as follows. For example, in any Urdu word, the word stress will be on the heaviest syllable. If, however, there are two or more equally heavy syllables, the word stress will be on the syllable which is closer to the end but is not actually the final syllable. In the following examples, the stressed syllables have been shown in a different shape, you can say. So the word is haqiqat. Haqiqat is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Next word is nazakatein is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. Shaguftagi is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. Next is mardangi is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1. Adat is equal to 1 plus 1. Pasban is equal to 2 plus 2. Libas is equal to 0 plus 2. And the last one is saza is equal to 0 plus 1. Respected viewers, medial clusters of vowels, unless pronounced with deliberation, tend to merge with each, in which case they behave in the same way as diphthongs. The stress occurs on the onset. For example, gaye. So normal pronunciation. When we pronounce gaye, it's an animal known as cow. When we pronounce it as gaye, so it is normal pronunciation. But when we say gai, so it is deliberate pronunciation. So gai mean sung. When we sing anything, that is called gai. So the next is jayengi. Jayengi. So first let me pronounce the normal pronunciation. Jayenge. So it is normal pronunciation. But when we say jayengi, so it is deliberated pronunciation, and it is showing the feminine gender jayengi. In the first jayenge, that is masculine gender, that is pronounced for the boys. Jayenge, it is pronounced for the boys or for the men. But when we say jayengi, so it is pronounced for the ladies or for the girls. So it is, the first one is normal pronunciation and the second one is deliberated pronunciation. So till here on intonation, the writer mentions of 3 degrees of pitches on which, according to him, are based the intonational pattern of English. So it's enough for the day. Let me wind up my lecture over here. I hope that this lecture will be liked by you, and you will subscribe this channel. You will write your comments for the video, and you will also subscribe my channel. So respected viewers, let me leave till the next video. If life and health permits, I'll be with you with the next video as soon as possible. Till that, take care of yourself and of your beloveds. May Allah bless us all. Allah Hafiz.